Hi friends, if you want to uninstall Visual Studio Code from your Mac system, then how you can uninstall the Visual Studio Code? Like simply everyone knows like how we can install the Visual Studio Code, but mostly we face the problem to uninstall the Visual Studio Code. So I will provide you quick way. Like what you can do, you can just open the Visual Studio Code, then after just go to this like bar and right click on the Visual Studio and go to this options and click on show in finder. मतलब where it is installed, it will open that location. So simply just right click on the icon and move to the bin. But there is one catch here. If your Visual Studio Code is open, then you can't move that into the uh, trash. So what you need to do, you need to close the Visual Studio first. So let's try. So once I click on that, though, then you can see the message is showing the item Visual Studio Code can't be removed to the bin because it's open. So what I can do, I will first close this and then after I will try to move into the bin. Again, it is saying can't be moved because it is open. Let me close the Visual Studio. Just I will go to this bar and then after I will click on the quit. Now Visual Studio is closed, so again I will click on the icon and I will just click move to bin. So now Visual Studio is uninstalled. We can verify whether Visual Studio Code is uninstalled or not using two way. One way is you can just click on the launchpad, then type visual, so you will see no result is found. The second way is you can open quick search bar using command and space bar button press at one time. Then after you can search visual, visual. So you will see like it is showing Google search, not the Visual Studio from your Mac system. So once you click on this search, then it will redirect you on the Google search. So like completely your Visual Studio Code is uninstalled. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe as I'm requesting you.